Linked data types allows you to pull up tons of quick, useful information quickly and easily. So basically with linked data types, what you can do is you can type the name of something such as a planet in this example, and you can convert the name to a linked data type and then pull up information about the object such as a planet and do research quickly and easily and also have live data. So in this example, we have a series of planets, 8 planets that are in the solar system. And I just want to show how you can use linked data types to quickly and easily research different pieces of information. So we're going to find out the age, angular radius, atmospheric pressure, average diameter, average distance from the Earth, as well as pull up an image. So to use linked data types to do this, first what you have to do is you have to highlight the words that you want to convert into a linked data type. So which are the planets? Then go to data, and then right under the data tab, there's going to be a option that says data types. What we're going to do is going to click the little down arrow right here, more. Then we're going to convert it to the data type that we're looking to do research on. So cities, or space, sorry. It takes a second for it to load, but as you can see, it's now a linked data type, which is evidenced by the little icon that's near the name, and every linked data type has its own icon. And then to insert data, what you have to highlight the names that you want to insert data for, and then click the insert data. And then so first you want to get the age, and as you can see, after clicking on this, there is a ton of different pieces of information that you can pull up for this space data type, which is pretty cool. Kind of scrolling through a bit: orbit center, orbit circumference, orbital period, polar radius, a bunch of different things. Planets are kind of out of my wheelhouse a little bit, but I just wanted to show how you can pull up information, do quick and easy research with this data type. So age, you can see there's the age, angular radius, atmospheric pressure, average diameter. Scroll down a little bit to find the average diameter, average distance from the Earth. So the average diameter, average distance from the Earth. And now we're going to want to pull up an image. Okay, let's scroll down a bit, and then here's an image. As you can see, just like that, we did research and found some piece of information for these planets. Now, it's not necessarily perfect. Like it says, age is 4.5 billion. I'm not sure exactly how accurate that is. As you can see, also the formatting is a little bit different with the numbers. So it's not perfect, but it can definitely help make your life so much easier when you're doing research. And I just think it's kind of cool how you can actually get images of different using linked data types. So cool. Hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment, let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.